Hello everyone! In this Java programming tutorial, you will learn how to reverse the order of string elements within an array. The first thing that we will do is import the Java utility class arrays. Type import java.util.arrays. Now within the main method, initialize an array of strings by typing string, the symbol for array, myArray, the equal sign, and then we will list the string elements that we'd like in our array. Here is with a space after it, season with a space after it, holiday with a space after it, and the with a space after it. Within this array we have 5 elements which are all strings. The first one is at index 0 because arrays always start at 0. The last one is at index 4. Next, I'm going to print out a line of text with the instructions for this exercise. You can skip this part if you want. System.out.println and the string print out the strings within this array in reverse order plus arrays.toString myArray. Within this line of code, I am calling the toString method of the arrays class to convert myArray into a string. If you are skipping this line of code, then you do not need to import the arrays class either. Now I will type out a for loop to reverse the index order of our array. We want the value that is currently at index 0 to be at index 4 and vice versa. The value that is currently at index 1 to be at index 3 and vice versa. The value at index 2 will stay at index 2 because it is at the center of our array and we have an odd number of elements. Type 4 and then within parentheses int I, the equal sign 0, I, the greater than sign, myArray.length divided by 2, I plus plus. Here we are setting the initial value for I to 0. We want this to run when I is less than the length of our array divided by 2. So that is 5 over 2, which means that we will go through this loop 2 times. The first time to switch index 0 with index 4, the second time to switch index 1 with index 3. I plus plus is incrementing or adding 1 to I with each iteration through the loop. Type string temp, the equal sign, myArray I. This is a place to store the current value of the string, which is located at the I index. MyArray I, then the equal sign, myArray, and then within the brackets, myArray.length minus I minus 1. Here we are changing the value of the string located at the I index to the value of the string located at 5 minus I minus 1 because myArray.length is 5. So when I is set to 0, we can calculate 5 minus 0 minus 1 to be 4. So the first time that our loop runs, the string at index 0 will be replaced with the string at index 4. Now type myArray and within the brackets myArray.length minus I minus 1 and set that equal to temp. Here we are doing the reverse. The first time that our loop runs, we are setting the string at index 4 to the string at index 0. Remember, we stored the string located at index 0 of our array in a string called temp. Outside of our for loop, type system.out.print and then the string here is the result. And now another for loop. For int I, the equal sign 0, I is greater than myArray.length, I plus plus, and then system.out.print myArray, I. With this for loop, we are iterating through our array and printing out the strings located at each index. Now let's run our program. It says, print out the strings within this array in reverse order. Here is season holiday the. Here is the result. The holiday season is here. Thank you for watching this tutorial and please subscribe to my channel Bootstrap CSS Girl.